Hey, what's up guys, my name's Clayton J, we're back from the YouTube video. Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? So, like you saw the title, today's video is about FTM insults. I'm gonna read the insults that I usually get for being transgender, and I kinda wanna talk about them, you know? Just to tell you what I think about it and what it means to me. Because I know these people don't know what they're saying. They're just saying shit, you know? And so I want to say what I think about it, all right? Perfect. But before that, I want to say go check out the description below. It has all my social media. It also has a discount link to a FTM prosthetic place. It's called Imbecile. So go check them out. You get a 10% discount link. If you click that link, it helps me, it helps you. And yeah, awesome. So let's get right into it. So I got a phone right here. All right, so the first one. No, these are in no particular order. I'm just reading them. It's just how I kind of thought about them. All right. You don't look trans. I get that. And I wrote it an insult. It could be bad or good. I feel like they mean it in a good way. Like, you don't look trans. But I feel like a lot of trans people take it personally because it's like, what does trans look like? I mean, I understand what you're thinking. You're thinking a female that wants to just be called a boy. That's what you're thinking. Like when I say, hey, you want to come meet my trans friend, or hey, I'm trans by the way, and they'll be like, because I'll post, and I do this on purpose. Like I do it as I forgot what you call it, like kind of like an experiment. Like I purposely, when I go live on TikTok, I purposely just write, I'm trans on my thing, because I do it without it. No one follows me. No one wants to watch. No one, because they like debating. They like things that they can talk shit. You know, a lot of people like to hate on social media. So after I put I'm trans, they will first ask me, everyone first ask me, you trans guy, you trans girl, you trans guy, you trans girl, what are you? Are you a trans guy? Are you a guy trying to be a girl? Are you a girl trying to be all that kind of things? And then after, then they'll be like, you're a guy, you're never gonna be a real girl, you're never, and okay, cool. But then after I'd be like, cool, I'm actually a trans guy, so thank you, I'm never gonna be a girl. Then they start changing it the other way, and they'll be like, you're a girl, never gonna be a guy, all that kind of things. And it's just crazy how people are, it's just, so I don't know what you don't look trans looks like, because I mean I know I don't, people usually, if I say I'm trans, I don't say a trans guy or trans girl. People that aren't a part of the community, don't understand. If I say I'm trans, they understand I'm a trans guy, because they understand. But if I say it to some random cis guy, they're like, oh, you're trying to be a female, wow, you look good as a male. And it's like, okay, after that, I'm like, sure, okay. Then we got another one. You look good for a trans guy. Yeah, I know that sounds like, okay, you just called me, you just said I look good, but then you add the for the trans guy, and it's kind of like, I've seen so many attractive trans guys, most trans guys I know are way more attractive than cis guys I know, literally. It's crazy, and when I see a cis guy, I'm attracted. I think I'm more attractive than 90% of them, not 90% of them, but the ones I see in my hometown, then it's like, I don't know. But everyone has different attractive things. But I think that's so weird when they say that for a trans guy. It's like, have you met other trans guys? Are you ordering us? Clayton's number 3, and then we got this person number 8, and it's like, what? So I don't understand. I understand you look good, that's okay, hey, thank you. But then you add the for the trans guy, and it's like, bro, really? But okay. Then we got, I get a lot of this. I'm looking at my phone. Just be a masculine lesbian. I get that all the time. I've been going TikTok live a lot, and people are like, why are you transitioning? Just be a masculine lesbian. And it's like, first of all, I do want to say this, guys. I'm not transitioning. Back in the day, I hated getting called a girl. That's another insult. I don't know if I wrote it anywhere, but you're a girl. Everyone knows, you're a girl, you're a woman, you're this, you're always going to be born a girl. We get those hate comments. I don't have any we get those insults, but I don't have any of those written down, because those are the easy ones that everyone always says. But I used to get offended to that when I was younger, because obviously I looked like a girl, what a girl should look like when I was younger. But now, you know why I got offended? Because I was insecure. If you hit someone with their insecurity spot, which that's what it was for me, getting called a girl, because I looked like a girl, and that's what hits me. That's oh, that hit home. But I'm not insecure about that anymore. Call me a girl. I have so many girl role models. I got a girlfriend, I got some of my sisters, I got my dog is a girl. You know, Molly's a girl. Like, I have a lot of girls in my life that I care about. So it's like that's not gonna offend me. You feel me? Like getting called a female is not gonna offend me. Females are awesome, you know. And that's kind of my thing now. Back in the day, yes, I got offended, but now I'm really happy with myself, and I don't need other people's like to tell me that I'm a guy. I know I am. And another thing is, back in the day I might have been like a boy, I might use that word all the time, but I get a lot of hate comments too saying, what is a girl? What is a boy? Like people trying to just ask, and it's like, I don't know, and I don't care. Like, I'm not trying to be a gender. I am a guy, you know, all that kind of things. But, like, I didn't transition to be a guy. I'm not like, I didn't, as a girl, be like, I just want to be a boy. No, I want to be happy in my body. Who cared about gender? I want to be happy in my body. And I knew the only way to be happy in my body is to get facial hair, you know, start testosterone, get a lower voice. I didn't feel comfortable with my voice, you know. I'm way more happier. If you look at videos back then to now, you can already tell how happier I am. And you can tell, like I told you in my last video, go on my Instagram, I'm posting a lot more pictures, like even with my top surgery, I have a shirt on for this video, but dead ass, if I'm home, my shirt's off. But first of all, I just woke up to maintenance knocking on the door because he fixed our back lock. So I had to throw a shirt on, and then I wanted to make a video, and I just kept my shirt on. But right after this video, my shirt's coming off because I'm literally shirtless 24/7. Because I love my chest. I know I got scars, but it's a scar. You know, like I have so many scars. I got a scar right there. I got a scar. As you guys can see, I got a scar right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I got a big scar right there. Yeah, so about the masculine and lesbian, gender and sexuality are two different things too, you know, just to let people know. A lot of people get that confused, and it's just crazy. Like, I hate that people like to comment, and whether they're like, I'm not trying to hate, like, I genuinely want to know, why don't you want to just be a mask lesbian? And it's like, oh, why do you care though? Like, a lot of these are like, why do you care though? Because I'm paying for my own surgery out of pocket, not daddy's money, not your money, it's my money. The money I make, pay out of pocket. It's my body, you know. I'm the one that's gonna have to live with it for the rest of my life, not you, you know. So I hate those haters that like all say that, and I hate the ones that like say, well, I'm just here for you, like I'm scared, you know, like I'm here for Jesus and things like that. And it's just like, what? Like, no, you know, just, it's my life. And I hate when people bring Jesus into it. Like, I'm not hating, I'm just here because Jesus would not be happy. It's like, first of all, you say the LGBTQ community talks about being, like, forcing people, you know, and it's like 99% of the time when I hear a Christian person talk, or any kind of religious person, all they are is like, you need Jesus, like, you're forcing me to need Jesus. And it's like, you're the one that forces things on us. I don't tell anyone to be part of the LGBTQ community, you know, because you don't need to be, you feel me? Yeah, I kind of said this one, what does it mean? Like, everyone, and I really do think, like, I don't understand what it means to be trans, what it means to be a guy, what it means to be a girl. I generally think everyone has a different meaning. Because some people want to transition all the way, some people don't. Some people are non-binary, some people are transgender man, some people are transgender woman. Everyone has different ways. Some people are gender fluid. I really think it's your body, your choice. What it means to you is completely different from what it means to me. And I don't really know. Like, a lot of people think that I have thousands of followers, that I know everything about being trans, everything about everything. I don't. I know how to be myself. That's all. So, like, sometimes you guys ask me questions. I love answering everyone's questions, but you guys got to know everything I tell you is an opinion, not a fact, because I don't know, you know. Like, I know I have thousands of followers, but that doesn't make me smart. That doesn't make me a scientist. That doesn't make me a doctor. That doesn't, you know, like, I do like to get that out too, because I just like to get that out. All right. Oh, these are the funniest, you guys. Wait till funniest to last. I'm actually going to tell you now, though, because I think the video is about over. But, you ready? Your chromosomes is what you are. You know they're so insecure when they bring chromosomes. Like, bro, I don't even know what a chromosome is. Like, I learned that in fucking middle school, and I'm 22 years old. I was in middle school like a decade ago. Like, I don't give a fuck about a chromosome. And I think that's so funny, because, like, are you going to DNA test me before I walk in your house and be like, let's see. Oh, the chromosomes. Like, who cares? Like, I really don't care if the inside of my body is a girl. You know, I really don't care at all, because, like I said, girl, guy, I don't care. I'm not trying to be a gender. Obviously, like, my gender is male, my sex is male, whatever. And I know everyone says sex and gender are two different things, but let me bring you into this one. You would never be a real man. People say that a lot to me. And it's like, do you understand the government? I'm like, I know sex and gender are two different things. Sex is the thing I was born at birth, and gender is what you identify as. But can I tell you one thing, guys? Do you understand the government where it says S on my driver's license, it says S means sex, and it says M as in male. It doesn't say G, gender male. No, it says S, sex male. So if the government can say that my sex is male, everyone else should just go along with it, because I thought the government's the boss of us, right? The government's our God, the one that controls us, the one that tells us what to do. So if they can write SM on my birth certificate, on my social security card, on my ID, any kind of document, so literally all my documents say my sex is male, period. So I hate when everyone's like, you're not gonna be a real man. Like, you know, you're always gonna be a girl. It's like, my sex, everything is changed, you know? And I don't know, it's funny. And this one's the funniest thing ever. This is the funniest thing ever. I've only heard this a couple times, and it kills me every single time. Like, I cannot stop laughing. You ready? This is the best for last. You know when you die, and they dig up your bones like 50,000 years from now, they'll be female. I got that, and I died laughing. It's like, do you understand when I die, my soul leaves my body? So my body's not even my body anymore. Like, my soul leaves the body, and whatever the hell happens when I die. I believe in, like, reincarnate. I mean, I love conspiracy, and I love talking about that kind of stuff, but I do believe in, like, my biggest one is reincarnation. So, like, my spirit goes up. You know, after one person dies, a body, every time a person dies, we get a baby. So I feel like when I die, a baby comes out, and I'm the baby, if that makes sense. And boom, I don't care about my body. I'm dead, bro. Who cares? They're bones, you know, they're literally bones. Who gives a fuck about bones, you know? I think that's hilarious. And who's gonna dig me up? I hope no one digs me up in 30,000 years. But yeah, I think that's hilarious, because it's like, why would I care if I'm underground and I'm not breathing anymore? I won't. You can do anything you want with my body when I'm dead, because that's not me anymore. That's a body. But I thought that was the funniest thing ever that anyone ever said to me. And yeah, those are kind of the insults. Comment down below the insults that you get and that you kind of think is funny, like different ones. I know everyone gets called a girl, everyone gets called this, but like, it's like, what's the funniest insult you've ever gotten? Because I think that was the funniest, when people are like, you know, like, you know, they scope so low and they're so insecure with themselves that they have to write a comment like that. It's like, who cares about my bones, bro? Like, you're so obsessed. Like, a lot of times, the people that are cisgender are more obsessed with my gender than I am. Like, a lot of them are like, why does the LGBT community, like the trans community, always like throw gender on us and throw all this and do all that? It's like, bro, I don't even care about my gender. I really don't. Or my sex or whatever. You guys are the one that's in my comments notifying me that I am trans. Like, I'm not even trans. Like, I'm a girl. I'm this. My bones are a girl. It's like, now you're gendering my bones. Like, I've never seen my I've never seen my bones have a private part. Like, I thought that's how we identify as sex around here. Like, I don't know, it makes no sense. But yeah, that's the video for today. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Remember to comment down below. Remember to look in the description with all my social media, and also like the video, share. See you guys next video. Bye.